Alright, so hey guys, what's up? It's me, Christian. So for those hindi pa naka-follow sa page ko, please follow. So in this video, we'll talk about a famous perfume named Rasasia Hawas. So introduction, so Rasasia Hawas, for those who don't know, or to those know, this is a clone of Paco Rabanne Invictus, the famous perfume years ago. Until now, it is very mabango. So, ang bango talaga ito. So, let's not make it long and let's jump to the point of this video. So, Rasasia Hawas again is a clone of Paco Rabanne Invictus. So, I will explain to you kung ano yung amoy nito without, saying the notes, because I'm not familiar with some notes. So I will just base on my olfactory. Yes, let's start. So let's start with the presentation. So this is the box. Para lang siyang karton ng sigarilyo, but may design. So nothing special. And dito naman sa bote is na-impress ako kasi mabigat talaga, and simple lang yung bote niya. Elegant, classic, simple design. The cup is very heavy. Hindi siya yung typical na plastic na cup, but it's very heavy talaga, yung mabigat talaga. Tas hindi siya magnetic, but nag-click siya pag pinasok mo na, which is very safe, but I will not recommend you doing this to be safe lang talaga. And yes, so overall the presentation is, the box is not good, but the bottle is. So 8 out of 10. And next is the scent of this one, kung anong amoy nito. So para siyang straightforward, para siyang sunsilk na pink yung shampoo. Yung amoy niya is medyo matapang pagdiinan. I think this is the aquatic scent, yung parang nakakahilo. So usually yung aquatic scent is ganun yung datingan, yung mga ambroxan, yung ano pa yan. So parang nakakahilo. I think yun yung sa opening, napakalakas ng amoy. Same with other blue fragrance like Versace Dian Blue, especially yun malakas ng ambroxan yun, parang amoy laway. But at the back is a very sweet, fruity, almost like bubblegum. Kung naalala mo yung bubblegum na yung maliliit noon, yung tig 4 piso, yung pula, almost similar to those bubblegums. Aquatic, fresh, sweet. So bihira lang, no, yung fresh at sweet. Pagkaamoy mo, straightforward, parang linear yung scent niya. Aquatic plus bubblegum scent. Really bubblegum scent. So may amoy talaga na bubblegum. Bango talaga. So yun, wala akong ibang ma-describe kundi yung pagka-aquatic niya, nga medyo nakakahilo na amoy, but na neutralize ng pagka-sweetness niya, which is very good to the nose. Siguro sa opening lang matapang, but seconds later, so hindi umabot ng minutes, nawawala yun. Tas yung fresh sweet na lang talaga maamoy, yung pagka-bubblegum niya. Bango. So yes, and performance of this one is very beast. So for the first 2 hours, ang lakas talaga. So no need kalapitan, naamoy talaga ng nasa paligid mo. First 2 hours, and then 4 to 5 hours, 3 to 4 to 5 hours, parang scent bubble na lang. So maamoy ka pa rin, but yung nasa tagilid mo lang yung makakamoy sa'yo. But yung sillage, naiwan pa rin sa ganyang 3 to 5 hours na iwan pa rin pag naglalakad ka. And longevity, so since hindi ako skin sprayer kasi pawisin ako shirt sprayer ko, so naiiwan to sa shirt ko 3 days. So one time yung nagjo-duty ako kasi pang madaling araw yung shift ko, so naka home base lang ako, may naamoy ako na parang ano yung mabango. So hinahanap ko kasi mabango talaga. Alam mo yung addict ka na sa perfume. Tapos kung saan yung mabango, parang maiintriga ka. So inamoy ko talaga. Parang familiar yung scent. Ang bango talaga. So surprisingly, it is my shirt na pinilo ko sa tagiliran ng workstation ko. Nag-project pa talaga. So 3 days na yan ha. So ako lang yung tao doon. So makahangin medyo. So naamoy ko mga whips eh. So no doubt this is a beast. So by the way, this is a January 2024 batch. So yung mga batch na yun is medyo di pa purple yung juice. So medyo pagka-watery pa. At ang mga new batch, sabi nila reformulated na daw, pero parang hindi naman, ang lakas pa rin. May new batch ako. So ba't binenta ko rin kasi nakahanap ko ng old batch, which is this one. So no. So sa mga bumibili ng new batch, all gusto niya pag hindi nagbago yung amoy niya. So malakas pa din. So yun. So worth it ba yung hawas? Very worth it. Hindi ko nga ma-out sa collection to kasi nag-declutter ko. Ang rami ko ng pabango. Naisip ko ano bang gagawin ko sa mga pabango to. Ang rami na. But then this one, hindi ko to maalis, sorry. So yun lang. So I hope nagustuhan yung review ko. So hopefully sunod next time sa susunod gagalingan ko na. So magplan na ako ng kung paano gagawa ng review regarding perfume. Pag-aaralan ko yung notes. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. God bless.